Everyone. Today I am going to tell you how to get free LLM for your study purpose or your practice purpose, right? Although you can install any of different tools also like Ollama and different tool which will, but that will take good configuration in your system. It should be right that much space and all. So better is you can use the Docker one, which I'm going to show you. So for that, what you need to do, you just need to install Docker in your machine, and after that you can go in the settings. Okay, so in the setting you just go here, and first the main important thing that if you have already having Docker and that is old version, so you will not get the AI configuration thing. So please update that, and after that you will see here this AI tab. Okay, you just need to click here, and after that you just need to click here in the Docker module runner, and after that you will get this port, and you can use or any of the port what you want. This is the default one, and after that you can go here localhost, and this instead of custom just use all and click on the apply button. Okay, and after that just apply. It will, you will see this again. Your AI configuration or LLM configuration is done, and after that, like different container, image logs, you will be. I hope you are already familiar on that. Based on that, we have another tab that is modules tab. You need to click here, and after that, you need to go to the Docker Hub. You will see lot of LLMs that is free of cost. You can use any of them. I am going to show you this Gamma phone, which is having different type of versions, available versions. Based on your memory availability, you can install any of them. Like for example, it is taking 3.9 GB only, or any of them for the practice purpose. Any of them is fine for you, right? So I have already validated some of them. Everything is working fine. So for me, I have already installed Gamma 3 that is taking very less memory. So I took that. And after that, after pulling this image in your system, you can start, either you can use Docker command or from the Docker desktop also you can use it. Okay. So after that, you need to run this. I am you going to run from the Docker desktop itself. So if you will run here, you will see this type of dashboard. Like in Chat GPT, Gemini, you are getting right different type of prompt writing tool, right? So here you can write. So like example, I am writing here, who are you? Okay. So I after writing this, you just need to pay enter. It will like Chat GPT or other tool. It will also search, right? And after few minutes, you will get this type of response. Like I am, right? I am Gamma, a large language model created by Gamma team at Google DeepMind, like that. So like that, like that you can you can ask any of the question. This type of, after installing this, you can set up, you can use your language also. You can connect via Java, Python, and different type of languages also, and you can update. You can use RAG. You can use the fine tuning, different type of things you can use. So it will be easy for the practice purpose. Okay. Yeah. Thank you for the watching. Uh, Thank you everyone. Bye.